Hello. In this video, we're going to learn how to integrate Asana with ClickUp. First, start by clicking on Create, and then select Zaps. You'll need to be a little patient here as the content loads. Once it's ready, go ahead and click on Trigger. Next, choose ClickUp from the options available. Select a trigger event that fits your needs best. Once you've done that, click on Continue and choose the workspace you want to work in. Click on Continue again to proceed. Wait for the content to load again, and then click on Test Trigger. It will test the content for you. After it's done, click on Skip Test and click on Continue. Now it's time to select the specific application to integrate. From the search results, click on Asana. Then select the action event from the menu, then click on Continue. Enter a task ID by clicking on the three dots. In that, select Custom. Input an ID that suits your requirements. Next, enter a workspace by clicking on the three dots. In that, select Custom. Input the workspace name, and proceed to enter a project by clicking on the three dots and selecting Custom option. Enter the project details according to your needs. Then you have to choose a section by clicking on the three dots. Select Custom option, then enter the section values. Feel free to input whatever values you want. Then click on Continue. And select Test Step option. Next, click on Skip the Test. Once everything is set, click on Publish. And there you have it. Asana is now integrated with ClickUp. Thank you for watching.